Areej Fatima was very happy, because she was going to school for the first time. She wore her new uniform, shiny black shoes, and took her favorite pink bag. "Mom, will I make new friends today?" Areej asked while having breakfast. Mom smiled and said, "Of course, Areej. You are very sweet and friendly. Everyone will like you." When they arrived at school, Areej tightly held her mom's hand. The big building looked very new and interesting. The teacher, Miss Sarah, smiled and said, "Welcome, Areej. We are very happy that you have joined our playgroup." Inside the classroom, Areej saw colorful toys, books, and pictures on the walls. She also saw other children playing. A girl named Alina waved at her and said, "Hello, Areej. Come play with me." Areej smiled and started playing with her. They built a tall tower with blocks. After a while, more children joined in, and everyone laughed when the tower fell down. Later, Miss Sarah told the class a fun story and sang a song. Areej clapped happily and joined in the singing. She loved learning new activities and things. When it was time to eat, Areej shared her cookies with Alina, and Alina shared her juice. They both became best friends. At the end of the day, Areej didn't want to leave school. "Mom, school is so much fun. Can I come back again tomorrow?" she asked on the way home. Mom laughed and said, "Of course, Areej. I am very proud of you." After that day, Areej began to love going to school, playing with friends, and learning new things.